Today, we're focusing on numbers and learning how to ask and answer questions about quantity using e here as our sentence structure. By the end of today's lessons, you'll be able to ask questions like how many and answer with numbers in te reo Māori. Plus, we'll go over key vocab to help you talk about quantities. But before we jump into the e here sentence structure, we need to make sure that you can count in te reo Māori. So, let's start with counting to 10. Are you ready? Tahi, rua, toru, whā, rima, ono, whitu, waru, iwa, tekau. Now, if you want to count beyond 10, you start with the kupu, tekau mā, followed by the next number. So, for example, 11 would be tekau mā tahi, 10 plus 1. 12 would be tekau mā rua. 13 would be tekau mā toru, and so on and so forth, all the way up to 19, which would be tekau mā iwa. Now let's practice counting in tens. This is really simple. You start with the number, followed by the word tekau. For example, rua tekau is 2 tens, 20. Toru tekau, 3 tens. Whā tekau, 40. Rima tekau, 50. Ono tekau, 60. Whitu tekau, 70. Waru tekau, 80. And iwa tekau, 90. Now let's talk about how to count these numbers between the tens. And it's very similar to what we did with tekau mā tahi, tekau mā rua, and so on. You just take the tens number and you add the word mā plus the next number. So 21 would be rua tekau mā tahi. 32 would be toru tekau mā rua. 76 would be whitu tekau mā ono, and 98 would be iwa tekau mā waru.